Standard 12 Account Part 1 Chapter 1 Illustration number 5. Riya, Dilip and Kirtan are partners of a partnership firm. The share of Kirtan is 1/5 of the share of Dilip. Here, share of Kirtan is 1/5 of the share of Dilip and share of Riya is double of share of Kirtan. Determine the amount of profit of each partner if the profit of the firm at the end of the year was rupees 1,92,000. Here they have given the profit of the firm, but they have not given the profit and loss sharing ratio of the partners. So here we have to find. Now first of all we have to see that the share of the Kirtan is 1/5 of the share of Dilip and the share of Riya is double the share of Kirtan. Means Kirtan share is 1/5 of Dilip and Riya share is double than Kirtan. So here all the ratio of share is dependent on the share of Dilip. So first of all we have to assume the share of Dilip. Assume Dilip's share of profit ₹1. Now the share of Kirtan is 1/5 of share of Dilip. So here we have to write that the share of Kirtan is 1/5 of share of Dilip. So can we write like this? 1/5 part of 1 is 1/5. So your Kirtan's share is 1/5 and Dilip's share is 1. Now Riya's share is double of Kirtan. So can we write like that? 1/5 multiplied by 2. 1/5 multiplied by 2. Here we will assume 1. So 2 ones are 2 upon 5 ones are 5. So Riya is to Dilip is to Kirtan. Now Riya's share is 2. Here we come to know 1/5 double of Kirtan. So 1/5 multiplied by 2. So we will get 2/5, that is 2. And the Dilip's share is 5 and Kirtan's share is 1. How we got this? To see the ratio, Riya share we have got 2/5. Dilip's share we have got only 1, that is 1/1, and Kirtan's share we have got 1/5. So here we have to take LCM. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, and here also 5 ones are 5. So if we will do 1 2 1 2s are 2, 5 ones are 5, and 1 ones are 1. That's why we have taken Riya's as 2, Dilip share 5 and Kirtan share 1. Now we have to distribute its profit according to their ratio. So profit of Riya 1,92,000 multiply by 2 by 8, we will get 48,000. Now how we have got 8? That is ratio is 2 is to 5 is to 1. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8. Profit of Dilip 1,92,000 multiply by 5 by 8 is rupees 1,20,000. Profit of Kirtan 1,92,000 multiply by 1 by 8 is rupees 24,000. Illustration 6. Milin, Hemant and Rashik have distributed profit of the firm of rupees 1,89,000 in equal proportion instead of distributing it in 1:2:4 proportion. To rectify this mistake, what treatment will be given to the capital account? Okay, here they have told that there are 3 partners and the profit of the firm is 1,89,000. But by mistake, they have distributed the profit in equal ratio instead of distributing in the ratio of 1:2:4. So what rectification we have to do here? The particular correct distribution, that is correct distribution of profit is 1:2:4. Partners are Milin, Hemant and Rasik. Now we have to calculate incorrect distribution this will come here. Milin, Hemant and Rasik of profit 1:1:1. Now how we have to calculate this? So here 1,89,000 multiply by 1 by total is 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So here we will get 27,000. So here plus 27,000, 1,89,000 multiply by 2 by 7, we will get 54,000. So here plus 54,000 and here 1,89,000 multiply by 4 by 7, here we will get 1,08,000. From this we have to deduct incorrect information, that is 1,89,000 multiply by, now it is equally, so 1 by 3. So here we will get 63,000. As it is distributed equally in all 3, it will come 63,000, 63,000 and 63,000. Here our answer will come in minus, that is minus 36,000, minus 9,000 and here plus 45,000. So here we have to keep in mind whatever negative figures are there, we have to debit it, and whatever positive figures are there, we have to credit it. Now rectification entry. Date, particular, debit and credit. Here we have to keep in mind that whatever negative figures are there, we have to debit it. So your millions, capital or current account, debit, Hemant's capital or current account, debit to Rasik's capital, current account, credit. Your debit is 36,000, your 9,000, total is 45,000. In narration, we have to write being profit credited in wrong proportion, credited in wrong proportion is corrected. Illustration 7. Ram, Lakshman and Sita are partners of a firm on 1/4/2016. Their capital was rupees 40,000, 30,000 and 80,000 respectively. At the end of the year, after distribution of profit, it was realized that charging of interest on capital at rupees 12% is missed out. Write journal entry for rectification. Here they have not charged interest on capital. Particular, interest on capital 12%. It is Ram, Lakshman, Sita, total. So here interest on capital 12% of 40,000 is 4,800. 12% of 30,000 is 3,600. 12% of 80,000 is plus 9,600. Total is plus 18,000. Now here, as it is not given profit and loss sharing ratio, we have to distribute this 18,000 in equal proportion. Okay, in equal proportion. That is, if 18,000 is divided by 3, we will get 6,000. Here also minus 6,000 and here minus 6,000. So we will get here minus 18,000. 4,800 minus 6,000 is minus 1,200. If a figure is in minus, then it will be debit. Here also it is in minus, that is 2,400, debit. Here it is plus, 3600, so it will be credit. Now here we have to write its rectification entry. Date, particular, debit and credit. Ram's capital current account, debit. Lakshman's capital current account, debit to Sita's capital current account, credit. 1200, 2400, and total is here 3600.